Let's break above this level. We had a bunch of aggressive selling. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's break back above this level. Um, this is value area high from, I think, yes, a couple days ago. It's point control. So we do have, I think we do have the value area low. So we're on the value area high. Just go to the 4 hour. You can kind of get an idea of where we're sitting at. So right here, we're technically near the value area high. It's point control. Just move this real quick. So the value area high is right here. Yeah. All right, let's go back to the one. This could be a risky move. We're starting to get that pump, and volume delta starting to climb a little bit. We'll just do it below. We'll basically risk our profits. We'll probably honestly go to value area high. Not gonna lie. We pulled all the way back. We'll probably go back up to value area high. So now we're protected there. If this fails this auction, then we're gonna go back down. But from the looks of it, I've been bullish. I've been looking at the 4 hour chart, and I was waiting for longs. I'm very clear on which position I'm gonna take. We'll go here. This is the strongest point. These lines right here, these signify the strongest point. Very strong point up here again. We have some strong buying, but it's starting to get a little bit absorbed, but I don't think we're done yet. So we're gonna move this to break even at this point. We gotta be quick here. So that's what we're gonna do. Sorry. Alright, so if we fail to break above this and this wicks out, then I'd go to break even. And then it just hits me out for break even. But if we continue to push, we could see this go to value area high up here. And it's starting to build. Look at the delta. Okay, so we're gonna have some troubles here. Point of control. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move this. I don't think we're done yet. I'm gonna move this right underneath here. That's gonna be protection. We're starting to break through again. Look at this straight green candle. They're not done pushing. Foot's on the gas. I'm up 500 unrealized so far on this one account. We'll see for the day. I have a couple different accounts I might trade. I should have copy traded all of them, but I decided not to start that today. Go here, go here. Can you hear me, done?
Yeah.
I'm up 1,000 on this move.
Oh, yeah. You caught it when?
So I cut the long originally at the bottom. I only scalped. I got knocked out at 500 bucks, and then I re-entered at 79.
That was a good entry. Yeah.
I got the new beta updated version of Deep Chart, so it's kind of nice. It shows me the main points of where the most interested areas where majority of deep trades
Okay.
are being placed at. I don't know if you can see on my stream, but you can see the like the little lines.
Oh, okay. I haven't seen it, so.
All right, I got $800 out of that one, 790. So
Oh, well.
I'm up 1,300 on that one.
Yeah, I got a buy signal there on ES,
Oh well.
right in that area.
All right, I think I'm done trading on that account. I could go to one of my other accounts.
There's a huge buy bubble up here,
Yeah.
right at 120.
Yeah, I
So it's
could.
having a hard time. Yeah.
It's 938 contracts,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
which makes sense to the delta. You could place another long here. We're gonna go to value area high 220. That's where I think it's gonna head. See if they hold this, but it looks like they're holding these levels on the point of control right now, technically, for the day. Yeah, the new Deep Charts update was actually a lot of good things I liked. A lot of nice things that they changed that I prefer. Yeah. Yeah, we're seeing some compression here in this little zone. Yeah, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we're actually coming off of we're actually coming back to break the value area high in the same area. So this could actually get nasty. This can go all the way up to like 2,400, 25,400.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
And here we go. Put a small risk in here.
hmm.
CBD's growing again. I'm putting a small risk in here. I think we're gonna blow up again. Yep.
Yeah, it looks like it.
I think we're definitely gonna go to 1655, but I realistically think we're gonna go even higher than that. I think we're gonna go up to like, Yeah, there it
Yeah,
is.
they've been trying to sell it. It's not.
It's not. No, the CVD, everything's not. You look at the higher time frame chart, it makes a lot more sense going long. If you look at the higher time frames.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at 350 delta. Yeah.
If we can't break this level at 6150, this is where the majority of the buy orders, strongest buy orders, are at.
Mhm.
Then as soon as we break this, I'll move my stop to break even. All right, I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Up 600 now. Oh, never mind. Break even.
Wow.
That was aggressive right there.
Wiped you out?
Yeah, it's break even. Yeah,
Did they stop you out or no?
yeah, it broke me even. Not stop me out. Broke me even.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it bounced right off that big volume node.
Yeah, that was crazy. I still think it's gonna go up. We'll see at this CVD, but
Oh, I
that
think
was
so.
a
Yeah, I don't know if there's something that's. I wonder what that was.
yeah,
Sometimes Nasdaq does that. It just.
yeah. Just there's a shit ton of orders resting, whatever it may be.
Yeah. I don't see anything at 7 o'clock. No reports. No.
All right, I'm in again.
Did you go back in?
Yeah, I'm back in. 67.50, 167. It's in a worse entry, but I'll take it because I think we're gonna go up. We protected that area 160 again, so that's the area that they're protecting.
Yeah.
If you can't protect it and break it, then it's gonna be a stop loss. But as of right now, their foot's on the gas. Buyers are starting to. Oh, here's another strong order at 180 for buys again.
Oh yeah.
And I'm gonna move my stop to break even here at some point. Next to the failed sells. As long as we break back above this, I'll move it to break even at this point. Because if it fails this buy area, then I'll be in trouble.
Yeah.
There's a sell bubble here up here, right where the area is. It's getting failed actually so far, and I'm break even.
They're trying to sell that.
Yeah, they're trying to sell that area. That's why I saw that blue area where buyers were trying to push, and they kind of got hit a wall a little bit there. So I'm glad I protected myself because that would have been stop loss there. All right, so the next area, what I'm looking at here, is going to be pretty low, probably up here. Yeah, there's a huge amount of buying right here, right where we wicked off of from previous. Yeah, that 120 area. That's where they'll probably buy again, or it'll come down slightly. Let's see, we got port control, and the value area low for this little range sits somewhere at 46, which it could potentially go down there. I don't think it will, but Yeah, there's all these orders here. Watch it. Watch it 120. It's probably gonna reject.
See if that large volume node, if it does anything. That's a huge one.
Oh yeah, the 120 area. You're talking about?
Yeah.
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 It could come down to the value area low for the swing.
Mm-hmm.
But he also has previous days point of control at I think 94 it is, or somewhere. Or at the previous day's point of control right now. I went long down here. Slightly riskier, but this is a good area, I think, where this node was. There's a low volume node right here on the swing. Once we break back above 126.50, or sorry, 140.75, then the price is gonna probably expand into that 180 range, and then we'll see probably a push back above 180. Yeah, 125.75 is going to be the next area that it has to break above. Now we just tested the point of control from yesterday, or from Friday. Sorry. On the nose. No, I think this is where we're going to expand. I'm risking $300 to make 3,000.
So you want to know what value?
I went in at 110.
110. Okay.
Yeah, once we break this 140 area, that's the biggest point where sellers stepped in. Then it's going to expand up to the 175, 180, where there's a bunch of one more sell, strong sell area with deep trades. All right, move my stop to break even. Now that we push back above. So now I want to see the close above 140. Okay, we're seeing the close above 140. Aggressive buying, starting to step in. Come on. to see something here real quick. On that chart. Now we got to see it close back above 148.75. So there's another order there. We can't close back above that. And it starts to sell here. I'm in trouble. Yep. And I broke even. That was a very strong sell off that area again.
Yeah, yeah.
So now the next area I'm going to look for is probably somewhere right around. If we hold this level right here at 116, this might be another good opportunity to go long.
Mm-hmm.
If we hold it. But the next possible area might be somewhere closer down to 47. Yeah, I'm gonna go long here one more time. Yep, I'm gonna try it long. This was broke back above that area. So stop loss, I'll put a small stop loss. Right below here, take profit. Right below there. Yep, that was a good long. We'll see if it works out. It has to break above 148. And I'm only risking 400. 400 to make 1500. 4, 8, 12, 6. So 1 to 4 basically. Strong selling. Absorption happening too at the same time. But that's a giant area there. Damn. If we push back above this 122 area, then we're going to have to close above 149 next. That's going to be our next resistance area.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of sells in this 121 area. Now the CVD is starting to grow a little bit here. Oh wow, that almost stopped me out. I got within like 2 points. Now I'm back in profit. Whew. Scary. All right, we need to see. I'll move to break even once we close above 149 again. And then I'm going to get out the value area high for the day, which is to be 200.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That's a good area to exit if we get to that area. There's definitely sellers trying to. Yeah, maybe it might stop me out. I just don't see sellers pushing this in this big volume area where there's a shit ton of buy contracts. They have a lot of orders in this area. And they're not going to let this fail. That was like a 938 contracts, almost 1,000 contracts just in that one place.
Mm-hmm.
And they're probably still filling positions in this area. And there it goes. I'm about to move to break even here. And it needs to close above 150. And I move to break even. Has to break back above that area. Shows me that it wants to go higher. Okay. I'll move to break even at this point because if it fails that area, there's a big blue line at 149. There's sellers there. Yeah, I'm out. That is why I got out of that area. There was a big buy area at 149. I immediately rejected it. Immediately. Touched it and went down. So we'll see if this I gotta get Mateus's lunch and then pack it real quick, so I'll be right back.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right.
Oh wait.
You got out, right?
Yeah, I got out break even again. It's like
Yeah,
my third
yeah,
break even.
yeah.
Yeah. I just gotta see what happens here at this point. This is a very valid sell point. Right at 107. Wow. Yeah, I think it's gonna go right back up.
Yeah, looks like it may go up. Yep, they couldn't sell it.
No, they couldn't sell it. They tried at that area, but
It keeps running into resistance there.
yeah, it's gonna once it breaks that area, it's gonna push hard.
Yeah,
They're gonna get that huge super expansion.
I think if it goes above 155.
Yeah, 149 is the area it has to break. That's where the
Yeah.
big line area is.
Yeah. That's what the chart's showing you.
149. 148.75, 149. Yeah, auction's starting to slow down a little bit though. There it is. Now it's starting to speed up once it gets to these areas. We need it to. Yeah, deep charts, they have a new trailing stop feature on this now.
Oh wow.
I went long again here at 46.75.
So did I.
Yep. Perfect. Perfect entry. That's how we do it.
Now I'm at break even, so.
Yeah, I'm at break even too.
And my exit is right shy of
the next area where you can protect yourself underneath is somewhere around 155. If we close above, we got to close above 179.75. Then we can protect ourselves at 155. As of right now, we're break even. My target is 198. You know what? I'm gonna go even higher. I'm gonna trail this. My target. There's yesterday's value area low, or a previous day's value area low is right up at 264. And I think that's where it's headed. I think value area high is gonna be a great. But if we see an explosion, which we're seeing right now, this could be a very good trade. And that's not even the high of the day. That's shy of the high of the day.
Oh yeah, not yet.
So here we go. You could exit here if you want.
Yeah, I did. 45 points.
Nice. I'm gonna. This is huge amount of buying. We're gonna explode. Here we go.
Yeah, I think it's gonna go up. Yeah, I agree with you.
I'm gonna guaranteed. Let's see if we.
But interesting how there's some resistance right at the value area high.
Oh yeah, for sure. There's gonna be areas resistance to value area high, without a doubt. I guarantee myself 600 no matter what.
Yeah.
I think we're going to explode past value high. And then I think we're going to go all the way up to 265.
I think you're right. It's not even nowhere close
Guarantee
to
myself 800 now.
190. Oh, yeah, okay. So you must be up, what,
1200.
over 1,000? 1,200? Okay,
Yep.
yeah. I could have stayed in, I guess.
Yeah, it's a little bit more risk. I'm already in profit, so I really don't mind.
Yeah.
I was just going
We're
to try
about
to.
to test the Globex Open, so
There'll be some
we're
resistance there.
testing it. Yeah, there's gonna be some resistance there.
Yeah, here we go. And look at that, CVD's growing with it. So this is a really solid
Yeah.
move. And then we're gonna probably, like I said, I think it's gonna go to 260 pretty quickly here.
Yeah. Mhm.
I got to see it break above 211 here. There's a big order there placed. Yeah. Very strong.
Yeah.
And if this there's a sellable here at 200. If this fails, then fails or succeeds, either one. We'll see what happens. If it fails, then I can put underneath there. I'll guarantee myself somewhere right around $1,000, no matter what. Yeah, I charted out last night, and then I marked out where the directional profile was probably going to go, where they're targeting. I marked out like value highs and POCs and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I kind of had already a slight bias of when I woke up of what was going to happen.
Oh wow, look at this.
Yeah, nice little pullback. I got $800 out of that. Cool. I still think it's going to go up higher. It respected the level of 190 where I had my stop loss right at 185, I think it was.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I gotta go get ready then.
All right. Okay.
I'll be back on shortly after, but it's a quick little stream
Okay.
in the morning. So up $2,100, almost $2,000 so far in this count.
So you on stream right now?
Yeah, I've been on stream. I've done it all in live.
Oh, I didn't see it. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
All right. I'll be back.
Okay. Bye.
Back in. Let me know if it hits that 260 range. I'm really interested in seeing while I get them ready. So.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
All right. See you.
All right.